What if I told you that you could make some really compelling animated videos, and you could do it for free using nothing but AI? Well, today we're going to break down a simple but honestly super powerful method to do just that. Let's dive right in. So take a look at this number, 90,000. That's how many subscribers a single YouTube channel managed to rack up. And yeah, that's impressive on its own, but what's really mind-blowing is how fast they did it.
You heard that right. 90,000 subscribers in only 3 months with just 45 videos. And they did it using the simple Stickman style, a lot of the time with just static images. They basically built a huge following, like overnight.
Okay, so that brings us to the big question, right? How can you do something like this without spending a single penny? Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk through the exact 100% free workflow that makes this whole thing possible.
The real key to making this all work so fast and so well, it comes down to a specific set of free AI tools and one really clever idea that pulls them all together. Let's get into the secret sauce. And here it is. This is the heart of the whole operation. A single, powerful master prompt. You feed this thing into an AI, and it spits out almost everything you need. The script, the instructions for the images, even the cues for the animation. It's basically the engine driving this whole process.
And here are the 4 free tools that make up our toolkit. You've got ChatGPT, which is going to act as your scriptwriter. Gemini is your artist. Then there's this clever Chrome extension called Grok Automation. That's your animator. And finally, Google AI Studio steps in as your voice actor. The whole team, right there.
So let's build this thing out step by step. We'll start with phase 1, the blueprint. This is where we're going to generate all the core stuff for your video, the script and all the images. The process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you just paste that master prompt into ChatGPT. Second, you tell it your topic. It'll then write a complete voiceover script and separate prompts for every single visual scene. Then third, you just take those scene prompts over to Gemini to create your images, one after another. Okay, so now you've got your script and you've got a folder full of static images, so how do you make them move? Well, that brings us to phase 2, the automation. This is where the real magic happens. The automation part is surprisingly simple. You just install the free Chrome extension, upload all the images you just made, in the right order, of course, and then you paste in the video prompts that ChatGPT also generated for you. Then you just hit run, and the extension does all the heavy lifting, all the animation work for you. Now this is really, really important. Once you click that run button, do not touch that browser tab. Don't close it, don't refresh it. The automation is working in the background, turning each of your images into a little video clip. If you close it, it's all gonna fail. You just gotta let it do its thing, and when it's done, it'll automatically download all the video files for you. So the final creative piece of the puzzle is the voiceover, which you'll make using Google AI Studio. It's super easy. You take the entire voiceover script you got from ChatGPT, paste it in, pick a voice you like, and just generate your audio file. It's that simple, and again, totally free. All right, we've got our animated video clips, we've got our voiceover. All that's left is to put them all together. We're in the home stretch, the final assembly. And honestly, this is the easiest part. You can use pretty much any basic video editor for this. You just drop in all those little video clips that the automation tool made, lay that one single voiceover track underneath, and sync them up. And boom, just like that, your video is done. So what's the quality like? Is it any good? Well, here's an actual line from the script of the example video that was made with this exact method. Motivation doesn't come before action. Just start for 5 minutes. I mean, it's clean, it's motivational, it's compelling. It just works. So there you have it, the complete blueprint to create your own animated videos completely for free. I guess the only question left is, what story are you going to have your AI tell first?